Hello YouTube, it's Asani Smith from Brotherswhocode, and if you've ever tried to start learning to code but thought writing all the lines of code are too difficult, here's a tool that can help you out. So what you want to do is go to Chrome, Google, or whatever browser you have, type in Cursor AI. So just go here, Cursor AI, and this tool is an AI text editor that helps you generate code in a sense. It helps you make lines of code, and it gives you a chat box. I'm going to show you now. When you install it, it'll look something like this. It's similar to other text editors like VS Code and Atom, but the main thing is that it has a AI assistant that can help you with any question that you need. So here on the right, as you can see, there's a chat function. So if you were to open it up, you can hit on the top right, toggle AI panel, or you could do Control I, and as you see on the right here, there's an AI assistant that you can ask any question to. Now there is a free plan and a plan that you can buy. You can always just use the free trial version, and you could just ask it any question, like build a button or any question that you wanted to ask it. And after you hit send, the AI will give you the results of building a button, and it can change things in the code, in your file structure, and it makes the coding process a lot harder. A lot easier. It makes it less hard. And yeah. So if you need a tool, that is a good one. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next one.